Okay, so this video is to help you on page 176, and again, if it's in log form and it's not helping you, put it in exponential form, and if it's in exponential form and it's not helping you, put it in log form. So I need to get to x, it's in exponential form, so I'm going to convert it to log form. So now I'm going to have log base e, which is the same thing as saying ln, log base e equals ln, so now you have ln of 72 equals x, and this is simple enough because you're just going to take your calculator and you're going to press control on the little e button, because above the e button it has ln, and ln of 72, and your answer to 3 decimal places is 4.277. Letter B is a little bit harder. First we divide by 3, so 2 to the x equals 14. Then you convert, so log base 2 of 14 equals x. I type in my calculator, log base 2 of 14, control enter so it approximates. X is about 3.807. So you need to pause the video and try the next 4 problems and then come back to the video and they'll be explained to you. So on letter C, we add 3 to both sides, we divide by 4, and then we convert to log form. So you have ln of 1.25 equals 3x, divide both sides by 3, and you should get that x is about 0.0743. Letter D is very similar. Subtracted 7 from both sides, divided by -1 or -2, got 1. So when you convert, ln of 1 equals x, so x equals 0. The bottom two are also very similar, just a little bit more steps involved. So for this one, first you have to add 4, then we divide by 2, and then we convert. So once you convert, you should get log base 3 of 7.5 equals 2t minus 5. And before I even type that in my calculator, I'm going to add 5 and divide by 2. So really, in your calculator, in one big step, you can kind of enter this whole thing. And so I'm going to put a fraction, because I know I'm going to have to divide. And I put my log, so I have log base 3 of 7.5. I'm going to go outside and add 5 to that, and I have to, excuse me, I also have to divide by 2. So in one big swoop, there's my answer, which is the same thing as I have right there. And then just a quick little point. Because I entered this last one right here once, I didn't round it all. But if you were to do this step by step, make sure that you're taking the answer, like you're arrowing up on your calculator and taking that whole answer, because you don't want to round the decimal and then round the decimal and then round the decimal in each step. You want to round just once at the very end. So here we have to add 3 and divide by 5, and then convert, so you get log base 2 of 22.6 equals 3 minus x. So I got 4.49825, didn't round yet, and then I have to subtract 3 and then divide by a -1, so x equals -1.498. Go back to Edmodo, and there's another video to help you with the next page.